So anyways, hello YouTube, and today I have an unboxing video for y'all. So anyways, it's of the silly scent, like, dough. It's Crayola brand. This is scented strawberry, so I feel like the scent of strawberry. So anyways, it's an unboxing, so we're kind of just going to do an unboxing of this, like, Play-Doh stuff. So if you don't already, please like and subscribe. So anyways, let's get into the video. So first you're going to open up this plastic. There's plastic on top. Take out the plastic, and then once we get the plastic off, we'll take out what's inside. Okay, we got the plastic off. Now I'm going to take off the lid. And this is what it looks like. So we're going to dump it out. You might have to use your fingers a little bit to get it out. It looks like, it feels like Play-Doh, like very fresh Play-Doh. Whenever you first open up Play-Doh, you know how like that feels. So it's like, it smells like strawberries. I wouldn't say the scent's like super strong, but if you pull it up to your nose, it's a lot stronger than if you have a little bit of way from your nose. And just so like if you take some off and then put it closer to your nose, it smells a lot stronger than if it's farther away. It definitely smells like strawberries. It smells pretty good if you like the smell of strawberries. Yeah. So, anyways, if you don't already, make sure you like and subscribe again. And I think that's it for this video. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. It's pretty much like Play-Doh. Like, it's like creamy, like a Play-Doh, like very fresh Play-Doh. Very like a creamier Play-Doh. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. See ya!